If waffles are your thing, well, you can make them at home. It's really easy. You can make your own batter. Flour, 2 cups, some sugar, you need some baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And then you just whisk the dry ingredients together. And for your wet ingredients, we start with 2 eggs, and then you add in 1.5 cups of buttermilk. But did you know 2 eggs is 1/2 cup? So when we add our 1.5 cups of buttermilk, we're gonna go to 2 cups. See, I taught you math. How fun. Whisk that together. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And we start whisking. And just when we get it about combined, it's time to add your melted butter. And we mix that together, trying to keep most of it in the bowl. And I like to add a little special flavoring, so I'm gonna add a little vanilla to my waffle. You can add cinnamon, you can add nutmeg, we'll add cocoa powder later, granola, anything you can imagine. You can even make a red velvet waffle, and my waffle maker is telling me, hey, it's time, lady, get your batter going. So here we go, mixing it all together. It'll get nice and smooth. This is a good workout for your arm. And there you got it, a nice smooth batter. Usually a ladle full per square. What we'll get is a nice crispy waffle. And when you get them out of your waffle iron, you want to put them on a rack and let them cool down. If you put them on the plate, they'll get soggy on the bottom, and you don't want that. So you can put them on a rack, and that'll make sure they stay nice and crispy. And if you're waiting for your kids to wake up before they get these waffles, just put them in an oven on 200 degrees right on the rack, and they'll stay nice and warm. It's a waffly thing. You're gonna like it.